Guys, what a crazy week in the stock market. I'm up 11,000 on my swing and leap trading portfolio here that I have on Robinhood. Now let's talk about what are some leaps that I'm getting into, and honestly, other big investors are getting in as well. Now we know Michael Burry, who was known for calling the '08 crash, and he's always been kind of bearish trying to call the next crash, and it never happens. So I think he's finally a little bit bullish, and he got leaps on some of these companies that I think are gonna do really well. So let's talk about what the first ones are. United Health, a lot of people predicted this. Warren Buffett just got into it, and people piled in over this after that news. So it literally went from like 250 to 305 overnight. Maybe it was already 260, but that, honestly, I do think after the regulatory issues are resolved, now this will take time. Everyone thinks you can get in and just get another pop the next week. No, now that it's baseline where it was kind of trading at after all the bad news, I think it's going to continue to stay around here. And as news comes in, it's going to go up and down, maybe slowly climb back up. But they are the biggest healthcare company, one of the biggest companies in the US. They're not really going to fail and go to zero like some people think. So if Warren Buffett's getting in, Michael Burry's getting in, leaps on this is a great option, but be ready to ride some volatility as bad news comes in. If you have time on your hands, you're putting in leaps for 2027, this is a great investment. Meta, solid company. I don't think it's gonna dip really unless there's a major bad news next earnings or the whole stock market goes down for whatever reason. August and September, so there's gonna be some carnage, and be ready for volatility. But overall, I do think this is gonna continue climb to 800. Eli Lilly, another one people piled into when it went down. I actually took puts the day before earnings because all pharmaceutical companies and healthcare in general was getting a hit. So I made some money on the way down, and then it went down to like 640, something like that, and I bought a call, and thankfully that's been doing good. Again, if you buy leaps long time frame, you're gonna be solid on this.